Eufy S330 video doorbell got a ton of praise as a unique dual camera configuration. Then again, the S330 also comes with a ton of useful features, such as a high-res camera and intelligent motion capture, which makes choosing between them a pretty complicated situation. In our video today, we've tried to make that decision a bit easier, since in our video today, we're going to compare the Eufy Doorbell E340 against the S330 and figure out which one of these doorbells would be the right pick for you. So, without further ado, let's begin. The E340 shares a ton of similarities with Eufy's S330 doorbell, the only difference being the sharp angled edges instead of rounded ones, giving the device a sharper look. The black enclosure does feel a bit smaller than the S330, otherwise it can get difficult to tell them apart. The front of the doorbell holds the primary camera, and a white LED bar at the top of the enclosure helps to illuminate faces in the dark. Apart from the sensors, which we'll talk about in a bit, the doorbell is surrounded by an LED ring that's able to express multiple situations through lighting. At the bottom edge, apart from a camera, you'll also get a speaker and a pair of white LEDs that illuminate the doorstep. On the other hand, the S330 comes with a primary video camera on top, alongside a microphone, 4 infrared LEDs for night vision, a PIR and a radar motion sensor, an ambient light sensor, and a doorbell button. The very bottom holds a secondary downward-facing camera that's useful for viewing packages, a speaker, and 2 small LEDs that supply light for the camera. The unique 2-camera configuration puts the E340 in a league of its own, as the doorbell comes packing a primary camera that captures video at 2048 by 1536 pixels, and is meant to primarily focus on visitors. The camera at the bottom edge can shoot at a resolution of 1600 by 1200 pixels, which provides a full view of the floor of your doorstep where you typically find your packages. Both cameras can and will capture color video at night if the LED lights are illuminated, or if there's enough ambient light, and if all else fails, you'll still get a solid black and white night vision, courtesy of the infrared LEDs. Alternatively, the S330 also comes equipped with 2 cameras, one of which is designed to keep tabs on your package deliveries, while the other one focuses on people. The top of the doorbell houses the main video camera, while the secondary camera is positioned at the bottom and is often used for viewing packages. The main camera comes with a 2K resolution with a 160-degree field of view, while the bottom camera comes with a 1080p resolution and a 97-degree field of view. For the E340, the dual camera setup lets you see what matters, since inside the app, you can get a split-screen view of both cameras at the same time. Pressing down on the doorbell activates an alert on your phone and a motion sensor at the same time, which you can customize the location of. Apart from the 2K video quality that makes everything crystal clear, the night vision does a splendid job of identifying people in the dark. The built-in motion-sensitive lights further add to that, while the 2-way audio feels well-defined. Similarly, the S330 comes with 2 cameras and uses them to good effect where the main one looks straight out, while the second one looks down at the floor. The doorbell combines the 2 video feeds into a single one, which gives the user a broader perspective. The video feed is clear and sharp enough to recognize people day or night, courtesy of 2 LED lights on the base that illuminate the area around the camera. The app is relatively simple to use as well, since it does a decent job of handling the process of sorting and viewing videos and alerts. You can also customize the sensitivity of the motion alerts and how many notifications do you want, which is a definite blessing. The E340, apart from its removable battery pack that can last for up to 4 months, can also be connected to your existing doorbell wiring for a constant source of power. There are 2 wiring terminals on the back, alongside a sync button for pairing the device with a mobile app alongside a battery compartment. The doorbell also comes with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio that allows you to connect the doorbell to your home network and control it using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The S330, on the other hand, comes with a Homebase 2 hub that connects the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network and stores the videos locally, which gives it a slight edge in comparison. The Wi-Fi network packs a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio for connectivity, alongside 16 GB of eMMC memory that'll easily cover up to 180 days of video recording. When comparing both doorbells, making a decision is pretty complicated, considering both of these models come with strong features tailored to different user needs. You should go for the E340 if you prefer a high-resolution camera and clearer video quality, a sleek and modern design, a value split screen over everything, and a flexible power option. However, if you need a broader field of view, local storage, enhanced network connectivity, and a slightly more cost-effective solution, the S330 would be the wiser choice. Regardless, do let us know which one you'd go with, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.